What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. I'm here at the side yard of my house. We're gonna be doing some work here, but first and first, check this out, guys. This yard 14 years ago, it wasn't like this. When I planted those trees, there used to be like this height, almost the same height as those kids right here. But looking at the trees now, they're very big, they're very high. It's pretty incredible. Coming here after 14 years to see this small yard turning into a forest is a good feeling. So we're gonna be doing some work here. We're gonna be fixing the fence right here, cleaning the plastic bags. So much rubbish here. A lot of kids are getting inside, stealing the fruits, so we have to do something about it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, first thing we have to do, we have to clean all of this right here. And there is a lot of rubbish on the side. So we've got a lot of cleaning to do. I don't know how those rubbish got there to begin with, but we have to clean them, take them somewhere else. شايفين؟ Guys, it's only this area right here, and check the amount of rubbish here. And this is only halfway, by the way. Damn. Where am I gonna go with this? This is a lot of rubbish. And we haven't even started with the side. The side has more rubbish right there. Guys, you see the rubbish right here? This is only from the small area that we cleaned just now. And I still have a lot more all around the fence right here, starting from here all the way to the end there. I think no one cleaned the area for 14 years, and now I have to do it with the help of my cousins. Luckily they are here, they're helping me. God, if I was by myself, I don't know what to do with myself, because even with the help of them, we still have a lot of work to do. And I don't know where to go with the rubbish right here. I gotta look for a way. Here's the thing, guys, there is a lot of rubbish right here and we have to get rid of them. And the only available solution is to start a fire. It might not be the most eco-friendly solution, but this is the only available solution. We cannot keep the rubbish right here, and the dam yard is very far from here, so we had to start a fire because things here in Syria are very primitive. So I know it's not the most eco-friendly solution, but we had to do it. You see, guys, there's still a lot of rubbish right here. I'm gonna take all of them out and throw them into the fire so we can keep the area right here very clean. Look at the kids right here enjoying the fire. All right, guys, let's continue working. Come on, guys, let's continue working.
Hello.
All right. Okay, guys, we started 2 fires, one here and one right there. And we still have more rubbish to burn. We still have this section right here. There's still a lot of rubbish. I'm gonna clean them right now. And this is it, guys. The smell. Okay guys, 90% of the work is done. There's only tiny amount of rubbish. I'll do them later, but the majority are here and there. Check this out guys, so much better than before. There's still a bit of rubbish. We'll clean them later when I fix the fence, but so much better now. Look at that. Alright guys, we're done with cleaning all the rubbish, but we still have a lot of work to do here, such as fixing the fence from here. A lot of kids are sneaking to the yard from there and stealing all the fruits, so something needs to be done. And we have this dead tree that I need to take off and plant another one instead of it, because unfortunately this tree is very dead. It's beyond saving, so there is no other way around it. So as I told you guys, there are a lot of things that need to be done. But those things have to wait for another video because this video is already too long and it's getting too dark. So this is the end of our video here, guys. If you did enjoy it, do not forget to show some love. And I'll be seeing you in another one. And as usual, you guys, do not forget, stay anabolic.